Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the architecture of a fully deployed text-to-speech web application on AWS. We'll focus on how each component interacts, from the user typing text to hearing the AI voice read it aloud. You'll understand the full flow without diving into code. Let's start with the user. The user opens the web application in a browser, types or pastes text into a large text area, selects their preferred AI voice from a drop-down menu, and clicks the Generate Audio button. From here, the request travels to the cloud for processing. The front end is built with Next.js. It's hosted on Amazon S3, which stores all the static files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To deliver the app globally and securely, we use Amazon CloudFront, which caches content at edge locations, providing low latency access and HTTPS by default. The request from the front end is then sent to the back end, which runs Fast API. This layer is hosted on AWS ECS Fargate for containerized deployment. The back end is responsible for handling user requests, securely communicating with Amazon Polly, and streaming the generated audio back to the browser. Amazon Polly is the core text-to-speech service. Fast API sends the user's text and selected voice to Polly. Polly converts the text into high-quality speech in real time, generating an MP3 or WAV audio stream. This audio is sent back to the Fast API server, which forwards it to the front end for playback. On the user's side, the browser receives the audio stream and plays it directly, allowing the user to hear the text read aloud. Optionally, the back end can also store the audio in Amazon S3, enabling users to download their generated speech if needed. For security, the back end uses IAM roles to access Polly, ensuring AWS credentials are never exposed to the browser. Additionally, we use Amazon Route 53 for domain management and AWS Certificate Manager for SSL certificates, giving the app a secure HTTPS connection. So, the full flow looks like this. The user interacts with the Next.js front end hosted on S3 plus CloudFront. The front end sends a request to Fast API. Fast API communicates with Amazon Polly to generate speech. Polly returns the audio to Fast API. Fast API streams the audio back to the browser for playback. Optionally, audio files can be stored in S3 for later download. Everything is fully hosted on AWS, scalable, and secure. And that's a complete overview of the AWS architecture for a text-to-speech web app. If you found this explanation helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AWS tutorials, and drop a comment below.